MyPie Educational Services.
Hi learners, welcome to another episode of our learning today. I am Mr. Salam, your mathematics tutor. In our last class, we talked about Bodmas on fractions. So we're going to continue from where we stopped. This is also Bodmas on fraction part 3. We stopped at example 3 in our last class. So we are moving to example 4. And we also look at example 5. In example 4, the question says solve this fraction. We have to solve one whole number, 3 out of 7, plus 3 whole number, 3 out of 4, times 2 whole number, 2 out of 5, divided by 5 whole number, 1 out of 4. So let's look at this together. Solution. Okay, so let's change everything to improper fraction first. So we have 1 times 7, that will be 7 plus 3. That will give you 10 out of 7. Plus 3 times 4 will give you 12. 12 plus 3, that will give you 15 out of 4. Multiplied by 2 times 5 will be 10 plus 2, that will give you 12 out of 5. Divided by 5 times 4 will give you 20 plus 1. We have 21 out of 4. So let's simplify this first by changing this division to multiplication. We have 10 out of 7 plus 15 out of 4 times 12 out of 5. Then we change division to multiplication. Then we flip the next fraction to 4 out of 21. So let's simplify now. 5 can go here once, 5 can go in 15 3 times. 4 can go here once, 4 can go here, or 4 can even go here 1. 3 can go here 4 times, and 3 can go here 7 times. So finally, we have this 10 out of 7 plus 3 times 4, that will give you 12. Out of 1 times 1 times 7 will give you 7. So these are like fractions. So we add the fraction, we pick one of the denominators, then add the numerators, and that will give you 22 out of 7, which is 3 or 1 out of 7. So that is it. Let's take a look at another example here. Example 2. Example 5. In the next example, the question says simplify. So we have to simplify 3 out of 4 minus 2 out of 5 of 3 out of 10. So everything here divided by 2 or minus 1 out of 3, or let's put it this way, into bracket, 1 out of 1 whole number, 3 out of 7. We close the bracket. So this is a wonderful question. So let's take a look at it together. Solution. So here, the first thing we need to do is change everything to what needs to be changed to improper fraction. So here we have 3 out of 4 minus 2 out of 5 of will be times 3 out of 10 divided by, so this will be 2 or minus, so 1, this can be written as divided by 1 times 7 is 7 plus 3, that will be 10 out of 7. So we find the LCM of 4 and 5, and the LCM is 20. So we have 20 divided by 5, that will give us 20 divided by 4 will give us 5. Then we'll have 5 times 3. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Then we'll have 4 times 2. So here we have 5 times 3, that will be 15. minus 8, then multiplied by 3 out of 10. So divided by, we have 2 minus, so you change this division to multiplication, then you flip the next fraction. So that will give you 7 out of 10. So 15 take away 8 will give you 7 out of 20 multiplied by 3 out of 10. So 3 out of 10 divided by 2 or minus 7 out of 10. So let me change this to out of 1. So 7 times 3 will give you 21. So we have 21 out of 200. So next, we have out of, so here the LCM of 1 and 10 will give 10. 10 divided by 1 is 10. 10 times 2 will be 20. The minus 10 divided by 10 is 1. And times this, that will be 7. So finally, we have 21 out of 200. So let's change this to divided by 20 minus 7. So 20 minus 7 will give you 13 out of 10. As usual, we have 21 out of 200 times 10 out of 13. So 0 can cancel out 0 here. So we have 20 multiplied by 13, and that will give you 260 as the denominator, 260, and 21 times 1 will give us 21. So our final answer will be 21 out of 260. It's as simple as that. Thank you very much for your time. Please do have a nice time to yourself. Bye.